What's up, YouTubers? Here's what we have. We managed to put in our hi-hats in here. We did not turn around and disturb the ceiling. A lot of the times we end up breaking the ceiling and everything to be able to fish the wire. Mind you, these beams are running lengthways like this here. So you know for a fact I'm going to be hitting some wires. But I've used a special bit, 58 inches, that could be able to drill between the span and then pull my wires back in. Did this one as well too without touching the panel and destroying it. Okay, nothing was done in this kitchen nor the dining room. This back bedroom here, I did the same thing. I put these hi-hats in here without disturbing the ceiling. Also did this wall here, okay, without disturbing the ceiling and all that good mess. And we have this bathroom here completely to do. Okay. And let's take you upstairs to the second floor. I've run a lot of home runs. I've rewired pretty much the whole second floor upstairs without opening up walls nor ceiling. I've managed to put this box in. Okay, there was no box on this floor here. There was only but one circuit for this whole second floor. So I turned around and put 60 amp coming in here. Okay, put my riser cable. This is another bathroom. It's in the process of getting completely redone. Everything new. As you can see, I didn't disturb my wall. Went ahead and put my wire in there. Did the same thing on this room here. Since it was panel board, I pulled all my wires without disturbing the walls. This room here I haven't touched, but I definitely need to put an outlet there. I need to put another one there. They had wire raceways and all of that, which is nonsense, so I turned around and took that off. That one has already been rewired. Okay, and we did this room already completely. Has been rewired as well too, without breaking the ceilings nor the walls. We kept everything intact. All right, same thing with that one. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, as far as rewiring your house and not destroying walls, that could be done. See, here's another one. Okay. And I went ahead and dropped the light in there without breaking the walls. Same thing here. All right. And this closet here didn't have a light, so I just went ahead and did the same thing. Put a light in there without breaking the walls. So that's what we do. If you guys need a quote or anything, hit me up. Be more than glad to help you. Thank you for watching.